Tommy Gibbs with upyourgross.com, and I want to share with you a feature in a software that maybe you haven't spotted. I haven't been taking advantage of it. By the way, on the first page, which is where the speech just really starts, there's a section called the scoreboard, which is this whole section here, and I'm scrolling down very slowly. There's a lot of great information in here. And by the way, when I'm getting ready to do a demo with a dealer or setting up a new dealer, I can take a look at this scoreboard page and tell you just about everything that's going on in the dealership. I can tell you where the problems are, and it's pretty cool feature. If you're not already taking advantage of this and scrolling through it each morning to see the pieces in here, you really should. But when we get down to the very bottom, that's a section I want to talk about now, is the Recon section here that gives you at a quick glance. If you're the used car manager, GSM or GM, you really need to be taking a look at this, even the service director. And when you look down here, you'll notice that your target for this particular store, by the way, is 4 days. That's something we set up for you. That's the total number of days we ought to be able to get a car through. We'd like to get it down to 3 days. Right now, this one is shooting for 4, and it's at 8.99. Now, the numbers here, these are real numbers for the dealership, but they're moving them through the system. We do that here at the office. So it's kind of bogus, but it gives you a good idea of what's going on. So right here at the top is the part that I want to talk about here, where it talks about completed, and in progress. If you hover over this little icon here where it says 2.66 days, what it's telling you is it's taken an average over the last 30 days of 2.66 days to get these 34 units through the system. And that's why this bar is red. It's red because we're not hitting our goal or objective. You see, we've got this dealer set up to try to get it through the service part of our Recon operation in 2 days, and it's not achieving that. Over here in cleanup, same kind of thing. They've had 33 cars go through, and they're at 2.31 days, and we've only allocated them 3/4 of a day to get a car through there. So this is what's been going on over the last 30 days. But the piece that you really want to pay attention to is what you have in progress. So it says in progress. So right now we've got 2 cars sitting in there, and they're averaging about 1/3 of a day at the moment. Over here and cleanup, we don't have anything right now. And in the photo booth, we have 1 car, and it's red because it's already been in the photo booth longer than it should be. But all I have to do is I can click on any of these areas here, and it'll take me right to those cars so we can see what's going on. So remember now, we've got 2 cars in service. All I have to do is click on this. Remember now, if you're in key management position, you should be looking at this every day. I click on that. It's going to take me right to those cars inside the service department window here, so to speak. It's currently in the service department. We've owned the car for 8.53 days. If I hover over this bubble, it will tell me how long it's actually been in the service department. It's been in there 12 hours. And look, we have a note over here, a special order door switch due in on September the 17th. So it's a really, really easy way for you as one of the top managers in the dealership to see what's going on. Again, go back to the scoreboard page. This is where it all starts. This is a section you should be looking at each day. This gives you a nice recap of what's going on, but scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you can click on whatever you want to click on. Let's look at the photo booth. Take a look at that car in the photo booth. And now we can see that we've owned it for over 9 days, and it's been in the photo booth for 12 hours. Hey, I'm Tommy Gibbs. If I can help you, reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.